Okay, students, today we're doing translating verbal phrases to algebraic expressions. Algebra, math in itself, is a language. So we're going to translate. Make sure you put your name on your paper and today's date. Whatever date that you're doing this, put your date and name on the paper. Translating verbal phrases to algebraic expressions. To translate statements into expressions and equations, identify the key words. Write the numbers and variables in the correct order. These are the two key things to do. Let's do some examples. The sum of 7 and b is written as 7 plus b, where the sum means to add. The difference of 4 and c is written as 4 minus c. The product, so difference is to subtract. The product is to multiply. So we're going to use a dot for multiplication. The product of m and 8 is the same as 8 dot m, or we can write it as 8m. The quotient is to divide. So we say the quotient of r and 5 is the same thing as saying r divided by 5, which is the same as r divided by 5 with a slash. So now what we're going to do, we're going to pause. I want you to pause your video, and I want you to practice here using the words that we did above. The words are sum, that means to add, difference, that's subtraction, product, that means to multiply, and quotient, that means to divide, which is the slash. So at this time, I want you to practice writing a verbal expression into an algebraic expression for these 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do that now. Hopefully you took some time to do that and check with your teacher to see if you got it correct. Now, let's go to the second part of our video. Keywords: less than and more than. Less than the first number subtracted from the second. More than the first number added to the second. The key here is to switch the order of the terms. This is very important. So, we're going to write the phrase $5 less than Jennifer earned as an algebraic expression. The key words are $5 less than Jennifer earned. Let D represents the number of dollars Jennifer earned, so therefore it'll be D minus 5. So $5, this is the amount that Jennifer earned. It's going to be D. Less than is the minus sign, and then we have 5. So we're going to rewrite this by flipping the terms, D minus 5. So here, let's try this by writing this below. 8 more than X. So here's our X and here's our 8. So we're going to write X plus 8. I think you may get it. 6 less than P. So we're going to write P minus 6. 14 less than F. F minus 14. P more than 10. 10 plus P. 3 more runs than Pirates scored. It's 3 more, so it's going to be the Pirates. We'll make that P. So P plus 3. 12 less than some number. We're going to call that number N. So N minus 12. When you look at the words and you circle them like I have done, you can easily switch them. So you're going to do a switch. So n minus 12 here, same here on the previous ones. So always remember to switch. Okay? Turn your paper over. So you have a staple paper. I want you to turn it over on the back side. Here are our keywords. Is equals is equal to. Substitute those words with the equal sign. So here is the following. If you see the word is, you're going to put an equal sign. If you see the words equal to, you'll also put an equal sign. If you see equals, you'll put an equal sign. If you see the word is by itself, it's equal. So let's go and read these words. Let me zoom in a little bit with my work here, make it easier to see. Arthur is 8 years younger. So we got 8 younger than Janet. And here's Arthur. So we know where our equal sign goes. Looks like we have a switch, right? So Janet, let's represent Janet by J, is younger than 8 years. Arthur is. So we're going to represent Arthur by A. So A is J minus 8. That is our expression. How you feel about that? I think she's pretty good. Kelly's score is, that's my equal sign. Kelly, let's make her K, is 6 points higher. Higher, are we going to add or subtract? Higher, Mike's, let's make him M, is 6 points higher. So this is a switcheroo. So M plus 6 is Kelly. Try one more, number 13. 5 is more than. Pause the video and see if you can get these. How did you do? Let's see. 5 is more than a number is 6. So we have 5 more than a number, we can make that n, is 6. So we know that's going to be equal to 6. 5 more than a number, that's just n plus 5 because this is a switcheroo. Okay, so this is our answer. Number 14, product. Product means to multiply. We know that from my previous side. Is, we know that's equal to. So it says a product of 7 and B. So 7 times B is equal to 63. Next one, the sum. The sum means to add. The sum of R and 45 is 79. R plus 45 is 79. The quotient of X and 7. This means to divide. So we're dividing X by 7. So X divided by 7 is equal to 13. Wow. When you break it down like this, everybody can get the problems right. Don't you think? One more. Keywords. Twice, double, means 2 times a number or multiply by 2. Half means to divide by a number. So 17, twice as many points as Bob. That would be, let's make Bob, it'll be twice as many. That's 2. So this will be 2B. That's my expression. Half the age of Sally. Let's make Sally X. So what would be half of Sally? 1/2 of X. Of means to multiply. So half of X. Okay? So let's do a couple of these. 6 less than twice the number. So now we're combining a lot of stuff. 6 less than twice the number is 4. What do you think it is? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Yeah, that's my poor version of doing a pause. So 6 is here, less than twice the number. N is 4. So here we go. This is going to be a switcheroo. 2n minus 6 equals 4. Remember the switcheroo? This less than indicates a switcheroo. All right, number 20. 4 more than the product of 2 and a. 4 more than the product of 2 and a. We don't have an is here, so we don't have an equal sign. So we have a switcheroo. 2 times a plus 4. More than means to add. Less than means to subtract. More than means to add. Less than means to subtract. The rest of these are a little challenging. I suggest you try and challenge yourself up to 30. And any teacher, any of the math teachers will give you extra credit for challenging yourself and actually getting them right. So choose about 5 of these to do and check with your teacher and see how much extra credit you can get. That's cursive for extra credit. EXTRACREDIT. Have a great day.